Hi, I'm Brandon Naidu. I'm a criminal lawyer here in San Diego, California. I want to talk about hit and runs for a minute. We've been seeing a lot of calls related to hit and run that a lot of folks are having a lot of questions about. Brandon, I was involved in a hit and run. I didn't stay on scene. It was very low speed, maybe paint damage, but an officer just came to my door and said, I'm being investigated for felony hit and run causing injury. And there's no way. How did this happen? And what we've discovered is that one of the reasons for this increase in allegations of hit and run causing injury is a bilateral collateral effect from recent legislation that affected personal injury and personal injury law. California recently passed a law that says that if you are uninsured, an uninsured motorist, and regardless of who is at fault in an accident, your car could be completely stationary, parked, and somebody else hits you. But if you are not insured, you are not able to recover anything from the other person's insurance policy beyond anything you're out of pocket. So pain and suffering, things like that, those are off the table if you're an uninsured motorist. One of the most common situations that we're seeing right now is folks who are involved in a very, very minor hit and run situation. They're at fault, but they are being charged with felony hit and run causing injury. And the reason for that is the other person who they hit discovered that because they did not have insurance, they are not able to collect even against your insurance. However, if they can claim some form of injury, that makes your case a felony case, and they can collect through what's called criminal restitution, basically what you owe them for the criminal damage you caused. And so we are seeing a lot of folks with complaints of neck pain, chiropractic appointments, things like that. And what started out as a very minor, what should just be a misdemeanor case that doesn't involve any real jail time or prison time, now is starting at the felony level. And we surmise that one of the major reasons for this uptick in felony filings of hit and run is in direct relation to California's passing of this insurance law that normally would just affect regular civil lawsuits and insurance settlements. So if you've been involved in a hit and run, or you believe that you might be suspected or under investigation for a hit and run, even if you believe that was very minor or insignificant, there's no way anybody could have been hurt, we are seeing a very large increase in felony filings based on allegations of injuries suffered, no matter how minor, during the hit and run. So please give our office a call so that we can discuss your options and your best possible defense strategy at area code 619-577-0868.